Welcome to the Iolo Labs educational series, Why Computers Slow Down and How to Speed Them Back Up. In this video, we're going to talk about LiveBoost, a special part of System Mechanic that speeds up the responsiveness of your computer in real time. For over 15 years, System Mechanic has focused on solving the problem of slow, clogged-up computers. System Mechanic has done this by performing a 239-point diagnostic inspection, detecting and repairing any errors found, and by optimizing all the known causes of PC slowdown. LiveBoost is a whole new type of technology that takes a fully cleaned up and optimized computer and makes it feel even snappier. It does this by using special technology to fine-tune the processor, RAM, and hard drive. LiveBoost is made up of 3 specialized tools. These are Ramjet, Opticore, and Accelerite. So let's look at how Ramjet works. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is the ultra-fast memory in your computer. When your computer has enough available RAM, it seems really snappy. But usually within a few minutes of using several different apps, all of your fast RAM can get used up, resulting in sluggish behavior. Many programs forget to release memory. This ongoing trapped memory is what eventually makes things feel sluggish. So that's where Ramjet comes in. Every time your free fast RAM gets below 20%, Ramjet jumps in and releases all that trapped memory so that your computer feels snappy again. Now let's look at how Opticore works. The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, or processor, is the engine that processes virtually everything your computer does. Ideally, you want this processor to give all of its attention to your needs, but the Windows operating system and its heavy load of services all tend to be quite selfish about dominating the processor and squeezing out your needs. The end result is a computer that seems laggy and hesitant, and just not very responsive to your needs. That's where Opticore saves the day. Whenever your processor starts to become dominated, Opticore will instantly jump in and grab back enough processor power for your needs, making your PC feel more responsive. Finally, let's take a look at how Accelerite works. Normally, Windows and apps write to the hard drive in many small pieces of files. This causes a lot of extra hard drive head movement, which slows things down. It also causes the hard drive to become fragmented. That's where Accelerite comes in. Accelerite takes all those little pieces of files and assembles them back together in the correct order before it writes them to disk. The end result is faster disk writes, with a secondary benefit of preventing disk fragmentation altogether. LiveBoost, featuring Ramjet, Opticore, Accelerite. Here's how LiveBoost looks within System Mechanic. LiveBoost is made up of 3 specialized tools. Each of these tools runs automatically, in real time, and only when needed. So what kind of measurable difference does LiveBoost actually have on a computer? In lab benchmarks, LiveBoost increases frames per second, or FPS, on popular games by as much as 25%. LiveBoost, proprietary technology you can only get in System Mechanic. Brought to you by Iolo Technologies. More information at www.iolo.com.